Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to take a moment to show you how I'm doing with my May kit. So I did use Shimelle Starshine's on my mind. It's my favorite. Shimelle Sparkle City, and I had the entire collection except for the one pack of small pinkish letter stickers. So let me show you what I have left. So I used a tremendous amount of the thickers. I've used a ton of the washi tapes. The only one I did not use was this awesome light bulb washi tape because it had fallen down and I did not realize that that one was in there. So still have that a little bit. For the journaling pad, it came with 36 sheets, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 left, so only 13 out of 36, so more than half of the pad. Here is the sticker sheet and just a couple random ones left on there. Stamps, I used a couple of them, did not use as many. This is all the pattern paper that is left, and this is from the journaling pad. These stickers, I've used just about every single word phrase except for saving the day, and have some hearts, dots, and hashtags left. And then the chipboard sheet, this is all I have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces left out of there. For the enamel shapes, most of the red ones, a couple of the teal ones. This is the only puffy sticker I have left. This I actually cut out of the journaling pad, so that's still left. A couple of rub-ons are left, not a whole lot. Most of the food icons are left here in the die cut pack. That's really, oh, there's some teacups. That's really what I have left out of here. So, oh, and the sticker book. Used a ton of the sticker book. Like, look at these emptiness. Well, that one looks like it's got a little bit more full, but used tons of them. Like I said, a lot of the food icons are still here. So that is what I have left. Like I said, killed it. It's only mid-month, so I'm super excited about that. But let me get this out of the way and I can show you the layouts that I created. So this is a folder with the leftover tickets and things that I was not putting onto specific layouts. So I just used some of the little scraps and created this little 3x4 card to throw in there. This is not that layout, but it goes with the story, so. Okay. So here we go, and I have a stack. Like I have a stack. So we have this mini sheet, and this washi tape is just here to hold it because it's interactive. This is the back side. And then the front side, and this was the sketch. I have this layout that I have not journaled on yet. I plan on putting a lot of journaling here. So that is that. I have this pocket page that I cut down. And at this point, these are at the end, and I was bringing in other pieces because I had run out. Like this is a Paige Evans paper. So I have this layout. Big sparkle. This was for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club's May party, and then kind of a night and a day view of the city. This is the flight home. This is one of those Vicki Boutin pre-made watercolor backgrounds. So I pulled in some, these are Shimelle as well. I can't remember which collection. I think it's Glitter Girl. This is, I can't remember, I think it's Jen Hadfield that I brought in. And here's where I used some of the food icons when we were talking about going to Beefalo Bob's. This is a layout that I did for the Oh So Inspired collaboration, where I embossed 3 out of the 4 frames and made my own background. So very, very little of Sparkle City on here, but it does go with it, so it's there. Then I have this layout where I kind of repeated what I did here. And then above all else, Sparkle, talking about the fun things that we saw in the Empire State Building. Then I have this pocket page where it talks about G&M's, which is an amazing place to eat, and I used some of that food washi tape there. Here we have this one. Used lots of the little birds because I felt, you know, we were looking out over the city, and it's no sunshine because there really wasn't any sunshine when we looked out over top through the city. It was like a haze of clouds, but still got some great photos. Here is End of a Lovely Vacation, and this is a different Shimelle collection. But I do have Sparkle City on there. This one is Sparkle and Shine of New York. I used some Brutus Monroe glitter glaze paste stuff, and then this is just a piece of vellum. There's other stuff mixed in here as well that isn't just Sparkle City. This is one of my favorites, actually. It's definitely not my usual like go-to kind of feeling, but I love it. So this is Distress Oxide, and then I stenciled over it with the Vicky Bouton like iridescent glaze, and then just put those on there. So these are from, these cameras are from Head in the Clouds. So this has probably the least amount of actual Sparkle City on it of any of the layouts. I have this where I used the sequin mixes from Spiegelbaum Scraps. Then we have the Sparkle City and just some 2 photos. And then on this side, some more photos. And then a little bit of journaling and Sparkle City things. Then we have this layout. This is definitely Sparkle City. This is the back of the cut apart sheet. I just felt like it fit since I'm talking about food. I have another pocket page. These are our AirTrain and Metro cards. And then I wanted you to see the back of it, so this is just a photo. Then we have this, which is a huge glassine pocket of sequins. Look at that, so cool. And this has some Spiegelbaum sequins in it as well. So this is just Go Big, and I pulled this from some crepe paper collection that's the Subway Guide. This is an actual piece of the bag from the Empire State Building where we had bought something. And this is the photo. So this was like the exhibit viewing level, which we were looking at, and then the open air observation deck. We didn't go all the way up to 102, we just stopped at 86. And then I have more. This is High Rise Adventure. This is not, none of these papers are Sparkle City, but these are. And then I used a lot of the beverage themed stuff for this one, since I've got the Coke Zero Sugar there. This is a grid layout that I created with a lot of Sparkle City stuff, and I brought in some Starshine as well. And this is looking up at, we are on the observation deck of the Empire State Building, and we're looking up. Then here we have this one. These are stickers and cutouts, and just made them into a city cluster. Then we have this one as well. So one of the tickets, more city views. This is about eating at Uncle Jack's Steakhouse. This is the chipboard. It says "Go big or go home." Thought that was completely appropriate. This is the escalator of awesome. So we went to Macy's and they had these wooden escalators, and I had pulled this wood grain pattern because of the wooden escalators, and it was just amazing. So I pulled out some old stuff for this one, like the Prima flowers and things as well. Then we have hello and welcome. And then I have one of the lenticular things there and some balloons. And then this layout has all kinds of Sparkle City and a couple other washi tapes in here. And it's called Fun Weekend. And this is called Tier, and we took this picture of it, and I waited for the perfect moment to take the photo, and then this dude like pops up behind us and photobombed it. Here we have a wonderful view, and this is that see, I loved this paper and I wanted to use both sides, but I had to pick one. And then originally I thought I would be doing it this way, where like it would be dripping stars, but I decided to go light to dark because I have the light picture during the day and then the night picture. So shine all day, glow all night. I thought that that was appropriate. And this was the view from our hotel. And then this is kind of just like a title, like an introductory page. This is a Teresa Collins, I don't know what like a decorative panel, and I just decorated this up. And this heart paper is from a crepe paper collection that Christina had included in my kit. So there it is, all of those layouts with Sparkle City. I am super excited. I'm going to see how much more of the Sparkle City collection I can use up before the end of May. So if I really kill it, I will do another little video. But thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.
Hey guys, I needed to just give you a little bit of an update for that Kill a Kit video you just watched. Now, I did not go back later in the month and use some more Sparkle City, as you can see. I never even got this video up in the middle of the month when I made it. Now, I also realized at the beginning, and I hope you guys kind of missed the mistake, but the light bulb washi tape was not from Sparkle City. That was from Vicky Booten. So not a big deal I didn't use it because it wasn't even part of that kit. So please join me next month when I share another kit and try to kill it.